Construction Infographics show how different projects were constructed. Generally, the construction methods, sequence and plant are included. The information is presented in a way that is easily understood and explained. The construction infographics have been used for tender presentations, for training the site team, site inductions, to educate students, to familiarise stakeholders and the public with future works, for organising and planning, use as support documents for highlighting the negative impact of changes, use as handover records, to prepare method statements and risk assessments, to ensure health, safety and environmental compliance. The types of construction projects include airports, seaports, roads and bridges, metros, oil and gas plants, piling and ground improvement measures, miscellaneous works, buildings and progress control measures. The infographics are ideal for getting approval to carry out works where those giving approval may not be able to read drawings and are not familiar with how work activities are carried out and their impact. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to see similar videos.